Hey guys, welcome to another product showcase video. This video is from nMEDIA PC. This is their HTPC 6000B. Okay, let's have a look at the box itself. It comes with the insignia for nMEDIA PC, the model number itself. Specifications is Super Micro ATX or ATX motherboard. Supports ATX power supply. It'll hold up to 6 3.5-inch internal hard drives. Expansion is 7 PCI slots. They're full height card slots. And it gives you the option for one 5.25-inch optical drive. Let's spin the box around here and we'll have... Okay, the dimensions on it are 490 by 480 by 210 millimeter. So it's a fairly good sized case. Let's pop it open and see what all comes with it. Okay, I just wanted to get a shot of the packing itself, as we've seen with other nMEDIA PC cases. The wonderful job they do packaging it, completely surrounding it with foam on all sides to keep it protected from dents or scratches, as well as putting the case itself inside of a protective bag to keep that from getting scratched. So it's going to get to your house in very good shape. They do a wonderful job of packaging their cases. Okay, inside the package itself we get their quick start guide, which gives you some information about how to connect the different components on the case to your motherboard, as well as how to install your hard drives, and also some suggested upgrades that you can get for it, including the 20x2 nMEDIA PC programmable LCD module that'll mount in the front. I'll show you where that'll go when we get to the front of the case. Comes with an assortment of screws and some additional standoffs. They also have some rubber mounts in here for anti-vibration. I assume that's for when you install additional hard drives. So very nice assortment there. Comes with 6 cable ties for your cable management to help keep things cleaned up and tidy, as well as 2 cable loops that have double-sided tape on them, so you can install them in the case and help with your cable management also. So let me get this stuff out of the way and we'll have a closer look at the case. Okay, as you can see, this is the black case, of course. That's why the B at the end of the part number. Otherwise it'd be 6000S if you wanted the silver version. Very nice front layout, very sizable. This is where the window goes for that LCD display that I had mentioned earlier. In the front here we have our power button. Your door for where your DVD or optical drive would go is right here. This has a pop open front panel. You basically push in to open it up. This is a metal door, by the way, not plastic. Inside here we have our reset button, our headphone and speaker jacks. There's an eSATA connector, 2 USB connectors here, as well as a FireWire. On this side we have a full array of card slots for memory cards, as well as another USB connector. So as you can see just from the front of it, it is quite a bit bigger than the other cases we looked at. This one will give you plenty of room for all kinds of expansion. So we're going to have a look at the top here. And as you can see, the ventilation is fairly similar to the 1000S that we had a look at earlier. It has 2 complete rows of side ventilation, as well as another ventilated area above where your processor itself would go. On the side of the case itself, once again, we have a fully ventilated panel to allow airflow in. And on the other side, we're going to see that air inlet for your hard drives itself. This comes with, I believe it's included, 120 millimeter fan that will cool 2 of your hard drives on this side. You also will have the ability to mount a fan on the other side. So let's spin it around to the back and have a look at the connector. Okay, on the back side you can see it has like a dual 80mm exhaust fans here for pulling air through the case, the spot for your ATX power supply, your input-output shield for your motherboard itself for your connectors, as well as the 7 bay slots. Plenty of room for additional cards or whatever you might want to run into this case. You're not going to run out of space, that's for sure, or available spots. This does have a toolless design also for its top cover with 2 additional thumb screws. Let's remove them and have a look at the inside of the case. Okay, as you can see inside the case there's plenty of room, wide open design. Up in the front here is where your mounts will be for 4 of your hard drives. There's also 2 additional bays here that can be used to mount additional hard drives, giving you a total of 6 drives total. This bay here, it would be your 5¼ inch optical bay for your Blu-ray drive or DVD drive, what have you. Very typical with this case and the other nMEDIA PC cases we've seen is you can remove 2 screws and basically take out your whole hard drive section here. They do have the rubber anti-vibration mounts into them. That's very nice that you can pull it out. Makes mounting the drive so much easier than trying to do it inside the case itself. We'll set that aside for now so we can get a better look at your front panel and stuff. Here is the fan itself that I mentioned, that your intake fan for your cooling for your hard drives on that side. And on this side over here, see if I can get a better shot of that for you. There's also an additional spot for another 120mm fan to cool hard drives over there. Let's have a look at the front panel here. Here is our connector for our multi-card reader. The additional connections here for your front panel, for your reset, your power, hard drive LED, and then also our other cables here for our eSATA, our additional USBs, and our FireWire connector. Very nice little bundle of wires. I mean, with all this room in the case, it'll be very easy to route things away and around the way you want to. As you can see, the motherboard tray itself comes with the standoffs already installed, even though they do include a couple additional ones in the bag of accessories, just in case you have something else a little different than what this layout might be, like maybe you have some in the corners or something that you need to mount down. But very good size case, plenty of room for installing a full-size ATX motherboard, 7 additional slots, so you could add a couple of video cards, whatever you want, maybe a wireless network card to talk to your network, maybe an additional sound card for 7.1 surround, or whatever you would like to do. There's going to be plenty of room for it. They also include a little ventilation right above where the PCI slots were, so even when the cover is on, you're going to get some airflow there. So they really tried to optimize the spots where you could get air through this case. So just about every area where they could ventilate, they did. I like the addition of the 120mm fan that comes with the case itself for the hard drives, as well as the dual 80s coming out. It's going to move a fair amount of air through the case. You know, obviously not enough to put some overclocked processor or what have you in there, but for a home theater PC it should be plenty. Very nice looking case, very solid, tons of room. I couldn't imagine a person needing a bigger case or a better case for building a home theater PC. So I want to thank nMEDIA for providing this product for our showcase. Once again, this was their 6000B for black. This is also available, I believe, in the 6000S series for your silver. And that's going to do it for this product showcase. So thank you for watching.